Здравейте, приятели! Днес време да играем на Nintendo Switch. Днес се чудим коя Five Nights at Freddy's да играем. Добре, ще играем на Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Така. Здравейте, вие сигурно ме виждате на Nintendo. Добре. Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Wow. Добре. Вие гледахте видеото за край филм. Малко страшничко си. Да, знам.
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes for like other employees or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like over the speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes this feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you.
Wow,
You're not gonna believe this. We found one. A real one. Gotta go, man. Well, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure. Okay, I'll leave you some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man. Hello. Welcome to your new career as a performer/entertainer for Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you with much-needed information on how to handle/climb into/climb out of mascot costumes. Right now, we have two specially designed suits, double as both animatronic and suit. So please pay close attention while learning how to operate these suits, as accidents/injury/death/irreparable and grotesque maiming can occur. First, we'll discuss how to operate the mascot in their animatronic form. Cohesive operation, animatronics are set to turn into a sound
Viejo, se abonete al canal y gracias a video.
Animatronics stay where the children are for maximum entertainment/crowd pleasing value. Change the animatronics to suit mode into
Не. Боте, откъде се взе пуста? Ако вие сте играли Five Nights at Freddy's, ви кажете. Пишете в коментарите. Добре, защо Five Nights at Freddy's е вестникът. Малко да видя. Добре, така. Почваме игра.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. Great new relic over the weekend. You were out tracking down a new lead right now. Let me just update you real quick. Then you're gonna get to work. Like the attraction opens in like a week, so we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you and past you and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as the security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, to make sure no one steals anything or fakes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and a Foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old. Watch the fingers. Right now the place is basically
Come on.
I honestly thought we'd have more by now. We don't have something really cool by next week, so I may have to shoot you up in a furry suit and make you walk around but like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings said like an extra.
Five Nights at Freddy's 3 скучно. Five Nights at Freddy's 3 скучно. Това ще играем на Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Вие ако сте играли, знаете, че Five Nights at Freddy's трябва да се случва почти нищо. Най-много какво трябва да те изплаши, това е. Брат, стига бе, бате! Е така. Малко няма да виждате нагоре. Започваме. Добре, хайде да видим там има някой. Няма никой. Добре, да видим на камерите. Five Nights at Freddy's добре, маската ми не е нужда. Five Nights at Freddy's 2 съм играл доста. Тук са Freddy's, Chica. Тук няма нищо за сега. Тук са... О, не, тук са гадните. Бягайте. Тук няма никой, тук няма никой. Аз само да ви кажа, че минатрониците трябва да чакаме 2 минути, защото минатрониците почват да се движат за 2 часа. Така че трябва да си има 2 минути, ама... Абе си спомням, чакай къде ви стоя, бе, бата, бе. Да ви покажа ли също. Ето го един. Ето го един, да. Така. Сега трябва да отидем.
We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and attempt to get into his office. Now, unfortunately, that shouldn't be possible. That restaurant should be safe from flight on Earth. So, while our engineers don't really have an explanation for that, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So, when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So, then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office.
Haydi be
Or a temporary solution is that there's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about the robot saying he was Nintendo skeleton without his costume on, and wanting to stuff you with the suit. So hey, we've given you an easy, pretty fast spearhead. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want.
Добре, вече е 2 часа. Значи, минатрониците да се почне да се движат. Добре, тук се движи, тук някой, тук никой, тук всички са си на мястото, тук няма никой тук. Добре, тук са. Така. Haydi, haydi. Bakalım. Вече е 3 часа, минатрониците би трябвало да са по... О, були май голямо. Заека е избягал. Ето го и заека. Ето да го видите лицето. Тупака заек. Така се вижда много далеч. О, не! О, не! О, не! Зайчето беше толкова близко. Бате, бегай бе, бате бе. Това видео ще ме ядоса. Дълго. Брат, бегай от тук, ще ослепеш! Вижте го какъв е. Добре. Тази игра принципно би трябвало да ми е страшна. О, не! Някой е при мене. Чува ли се? Чиката! Ето да я видите, мазната чика. А не, тръгна си. Добре. Тук ли? Охо! Бунито! О, не! Вие не може да го видите! Не успяхте! Не, това беше един много хубав момент! Добре, хора! Тук има някои. Добре, за мен ще се случи ужасно. Тук сега трябва да правя много неща. Бързо ме бате! Бързо! Така. Тук няма никой. Видите, че там няма никой за сега. О, не. Някой да не излезне. Защото аз давата ще го натупам. Охо, Фредито, ето да го видите. Фредито е там. Мечко! Няма да успея да изсипа. 5 часа. Ще оцелеем, хора, казвам ви, ние ще оцелеем. И пък не. Фреди стои там още и ви досажда. Аз ще умра. Така добре ще го оставя. Не. О, не. И game over. Сама. Добре, хора. Да изиграем още една игра. Не знам. Добре, хора, това беше видеото от мен. Това беше видеото. Аз съм горката, абонирайте се за канала.
Къде ми е телефонът?